If you're seeing a ChatGPT network error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to chatting again without wasting time. This issue is usually caused by a weak connection, a browser problem, a request that is too long, or something interfering with the page in the background. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection because this is the most important fix. Refresh the page and try again. If the error is still showing, switch from Wi-Fi to a hotspot or switch back to Wi-Fi if your mobile data is unstable. You can also restart your router to clear any connection issues. Unstable internet is the main cause, so this simple step solves the problem more often than you might think. Next, click Regenerate Response and try sending the message again. Sometimes ChatGPT hits a temporary timeout or communication glitch, and retrying the same prompt is enough to get it working. If the response loads after a second attempt, then the issue was just temporary and you can keep going. If you're still getting the error, shorten your prompt. Large responses may fail, especially if the request is too detailed or too long. Break your request into smaller parts instead of asking for everything at once. For example, ask one question at a time or split a big task into sections. This reduces the chance of the request timing out and helps ChatGPT respond more reliably. Another fix is to turn off your VPN or proxy. Sometimes VPN routes, privacy tools, or network filters can interfere with the connection between your browser and ChatGPT. Disable the VPN, refresh the page, and test again. If it works after that, you'll know the VPN was causing the network problem. Now let's clear cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached files and cookies, then clear them. Old browser data can sometimes break the session or cause loading problems, so this is a very effective fix when the error keeps coming back. If that still doesn't solve it, try ChatGPT in Incognito Mode. Incognito Mode removes extensions and bypasses many cached issues, so it's a quick way to test whether a browser add-on is causing the problem. Open a private window, sign in again if needed, and try the same message. If it works in incognito, one of your extensions or browser settings is likely the culprit. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the problem. In most cases, it comes down to internet instability, a prompt that is too large, or a browser issue that needs to be cleared out. Work through the steps in order, and you'll usually get ChatGPT working again in just a few minutes. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, AI troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.